Hello everybody, welcome back to the Drunken Sailor. We've got a couple of new subscribers this week, so I want to thank you for subscribing to us. I want to thank you for those that have subscribed and keep coming back. We hope you're enjoying the cocktails. Today is June 14th, 2022. It's also known as National Flag Day. And what better way to celebrate the red, white, and blue than making the red, white, and blue? It's a nice, easy cocktail that's layered. It's built right in a glass, so let's get pouring. We're going to take a Tom Colins glass and we're going to fill that with crushed ice. Give it a little press down, make sure it's nice and compressed in there. And we are going to start with 1/4 ounce of Grenadine. That goes in first. That's going to sink its way to the bottom. Next, we are going to use 1/4 ounce of lemon juice. That's freshly squeezed because we know fresh is best. Next, we're going to put in there 1.5 ounces of freshly squeezed watermelon juice. Next is our tequila. We're going to use 1.5 ounces of Blanco Tequila. Today we're using Cabo Wabo. And you're going to pour that in nice and slow. We're going to start our layering. Next in the list is soda water. We're using club soda today. You can use club soda, you can use tonic water, whichever you like best. And we're going to use 1 ounce. You can see we got some red, we got some white, but now what we need is a little bit more ice. We're going to top off the ice in there. You can mound that up on top. And next what we're going to do is we've got some Blue Curacao. I've got this in an atomizer, and we're just going to spray that in there to go for our blue. You can use the atomizer. If you don't have an atomizer, it's about 1/8 of a teaspoon. So that's about 1/2 of a bar spoon. And there we have the red, white, and blue.